Namaste students, my name is JVS Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayati Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are going to discuss a practical session, that is the demonstration of bacterial flora of skin. And this belongs to the subject medical biotechnology lab. So we have to demonstrate that which bacterial flora is present on our skin. So what is the principle of this practical? So basically the skin microflora are the microbes that are present on our skin. Okay, microflora are, or we can say the skin microbiota or the skin microbe. Okay, so it can be told as the microflora, microbiota, or skin microbiome. So all are the same thing. So the huge number of microbes are present on our skin. It is not only the bacteria. It is the bacteria can be present, fungus may be present, okay, or viruses may be present. Of course, parasites may be present. Okay, so the total microbial cell count in and on our body is similar to the number of the human cells. Okay, after the gut, there are more microbes on the skin than anywhere else in the body. Because one factor is that because the skin is the largest organ of our body. So the bacterial species are by far of the most numerous. However, the fungi, viruses, and mites may also be present on the skin of the normal healthy human. So they always they are not harmful. They are not pathogens. Okay, they are our normal skin flora. Okay. So what are the different microbes on our skin? So first is the resident microbiota that are present on our upper body parts or on the epidermis and congregated in and around the hair follicles. So the microbes may be the Dermatobacter, okay, Corynebacterium, Micrococcus, and Staphylococcus. So they are known as the resident microorganisms. Then some microbiota are considered the transient microbiota, or as they can be only isolated and cultured from the skin samples from time to time. So they are not always occur. So these are mainly the gram-positive bacteria, including the Clostridia in the perineal area, and occasionally you can find the gram-negative Acinetobacter from the moist area of the skin. So other of the gram-negative bacteria are not considered part of the normal skin microbiota, as relatively low humidity and high osmotic pressure of the skin are unfavorable for their growth. So microorganisms are found all over the skin surface, but the species vary with the anatomical sites. Skin sites can be grouped into oily, moist, or dry. So there may be three types of the skin: dry, moist, and oily. And according to them, the microbes may be different. So in the oily skin, because the oil is present there, the sebaceous the sebaceous glands are high. Okay, so it includes the trunk region, neck region, head region, where sebaceous glands secrete the oil, and they allow the Cutibacteria to thrive. So Demodex mites and the funguses, other funguses can grow in that areas. Okay. Then the dry body sites includes the forearms, hands, legs, feet, and they have the most diverse microbiota due to the high exposure to the external environment. So coagulase negative staphylococci predominant here, and the Staphylococcus epidermidis as hominis. So these are the example of the microbes which are present on the dry body sites. Then the third is the body moist body sites. So the moist body sites includes the elbow creases beneath the breast areas, and in between the toes and the in the gories. So because the moisture is high in these areas, so the type of the microbe which is found here is the Corynebacterium. Corynebacterium can flourish in these sites, and we can isolate it, we can observe it. Okay. Except the bacteria, other microbes are also there. For example, the fungi. So in the fungi, the Malassezia are most commonly found all over the body except the feet. So they are more numerous in oily areas and described in various types of the literature, but it is not because our interest of topic we have to study the bacteria only, but we have to aware that yes, fungi is also there. Viruses are also present on our skin. So for example, on the normal skin, the traditionally viruses on the skin have been termed the pathogenic. So because it is harmful, but recent research have a discussion on that the viruses may be our normal flora. Okay, not all the viruses are pathogenic. So to perform the experiment to demonstrate the skin bacteria, we need some instruments, or the materials which are required to perform this experiment are the first is the inocula from various body sites. Then second, you need the culture plates for potato dextrose agar media and for nutrient agar media. So PDA for the fungus and nutrient agar for the bacteria. Then we need a incubator to incubate the culture plates. We need the laminar airflow to perform the experiment in the sterilized condition and to inoculate the microbes in the plates. Then we need the nichrome wire loop. With the help of that, you will inoculate the sample. Ethanol is required to sterilize the surface, sterilize the other things, sterilize the hands. Then cotton plugs are required, and the autoclave is also required to sterilize the instruments and the culture plates and media also, and other things. So how to perform the experiment? So first, we prepare the culture media using the PDA and nutrient agar in the recommended amount, using the distilled water, autoclave distilled water. In the autoclave distilled water, we weigh the powder of the nutrient agar and powder of the PDA and dissolve it in the autoclave distilled water, and we autoclave this. And after the autoclaving, we pour the culture plates. Okay, so for the different body sites, we can take the different plates. Okay, for example, you can prepare the 4 different plates. Okay, and you select the body sites, 4 different body sites for the observation. Okay, then after you autoclave or you pour the culture plates, when the media is solidified, you will take the samples. Okay, and you choose the 4 different body sites you scrap there and dissolve it in saline water, and after that you stick the plates and mark the plates with the name of the or site of the body. Okay, then incubate the plates on different on 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, or you can use the temperature between 30 to 35 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius in between. And after the 48 hours, we observe the plates under the microscope. So you can recognize the bacteria, you can recognize the fungi on the basis of their macroscopic colony morphology, the appearance, the color, the colony transparency, and also you can use the microscopes to observe the size, shape, structure of the bacteria. Okay, and you have to correlate the structure of the of the colony or the bacteria or the fungus with the literature we discussed. So which site is very much enriched with which type of the microbes. Okay, so you have to write in the observation in the result that in this body site having these types of the bacteria and the virus and the fungus. Okay, so this was all about the practical, the demonstration of the bacterial flora of the skin. Okay, so I think you are this is very clear to you, and hope you are satisfied with this detailed session. If you have any doubt, any query, you can write in the comment box. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.